This question asks us to analyze and conclude. During the multinucleated plasmodial stage, could acellular slime molds be classified as multicellular organisms? Explain your reasoning. Well, we'll start off by examining what actually happens in the multinucleated plasmodial stage. So if we are to look at an acellular slime mold right here, so we're going to actually write out acellular slime mold. And if we are to look at what happens during the plasmodium stage, so as a plasmodium, this acellular slime mold will look as such. So we're going to have a big cell right here, tons of cytoplasm, and there's going to be lots of these little nuclei within that cell. Just everywhere, there's going to be these nuclei. What you'll find is that there's going to be these nuclei in this big plasmodium. There's no cell walls separating all the nuclei. So is this a multicellular organism? Well, is it going to consist of many cells? There are going to be tons of these nuclei, but how many actual individual cells are there? And the truth is that this is still not going to be a multicellular organism because it is acellular. It means that it is just one big cell with a bunch of nuclei. So the answer here is, and of course this is up for debate, and you can say whatever you want to say, but my interpretation of it, a multicellular organism consists of multiple cells, but here we are seeing multiple nuclei. It's multinucleated, it's not multicellular. So to answer this question, I would say that perhaps it's not multicellular. I would instead say that it is multinucleated, and that is given in the prompt. That is a multinucleated plasmodium, but it's definitely not multicellular because it has tons of these nuclei, but it contains one cytoplasm for all of the nuclei. It contains all the organelles housed within one plasma membrane. This is a plasmodium. It is not going to have these cell walls dividing all of our nuclei. So the correct answer here, in my interpretation, is no, it is not multicellular, but yes, it is multinucleated.